Ethan was a 12-year-old boy who lived with his young and caring mum. On his birthday, he received many gifts, but one box stood out. It was old, dusty, and didn't have a name. Inside was a strange little doll, short in height, with a cracked face and a creepy smile. A small tag on the doll said, "Her name is Labubu. Be her friend forever." As soon as Ethan touched the doll, the lights in the room flickered. His mom didn't like the doll and said something about it felt wrong. But Ethan decided to keep it. That night, he placed Labubu on the shelf near his bed and went to sleep. Around 3 in the morning, he suddenly woke up. The room was cold. When he looked around, Labubu was no longer on the shelf. She was sitting on the floor, facing him with the same creepy smile. Then he heard a whisper, "Will you play with me forever?" Ethan screamed. His mom rushed into the room, but when she looked, the doll was back on the shelf, as if nothing had happened. In the following days, strange things began to happen. Doors opened and closed on their own. Ethan heard whispers when no one was around. Tiny muddy footprints started appearing in the house. His mom tried to throw the doll away, but every time it came back. Sometimes it was on the sofa, sometimes on Ethan's pillow. Ethan started to investigate. He searched online and found an old news story from years ago. It talked about a girl who disappeared mysteriously, and she had a doll just like Labubu. People believed the doll was cursed. Every family who kept it experienced something terrible. That night, Labubu was sitting even closer to Ethan. She whispered again, "You're my new friend now." Scared for her son, Ethan's mom called a local priest to bless the house. As the priest began his prayer, Ethan suddenly froze. His eyes rolled back, and he spoke in a deep, strange voice that wasn't his own. He said, "I'm staying now." Labubu, sitting nearby, caught fire by itself. The doll burned into ashes. Ethan fainted. His mom held him, crying. But just as everything seemed over, the ashes on the floor began to move. Slowly, they formed a smiling face, the same smile Labubu had. Labubu was not gone.